Hi everyone, I'm just gonna jump straight to demonstrating to you how you can use patterns in the search field in Xcode. This feature has been available in Xcode for a long time, but a lot of people don't seem to really know about it. I find it really useful, especially if you're doing like batch finding and replacing. So let's just jump right into it. Here I've opened our Swift project because it's just an open source project in GitHub. So I could clone it easily just to be able to demonstrate to you how patterns work in Xcode search field. Here I'm going to demonstrate to you how we're going to find all comments that are in the header of every single file in this project to be able to, for instance, replace it with something else or to be able to completely remove it. Well, one way of doing it is just to go in every file and just remove this header and go to another file and remove that as well. But there's a better way, and that's using patterns, and that's available using this little icon here in Xcode. And if you click on it, you can see that you can insert a pattern, which is basically like kind of like a dumbed down version, or maybe I shouldn't say dumbed down, but easier way of using regex. So the shortcut to that is Control Option Command P. So I'm going to use that in this video, but you can access this menu by tapping here as well. Insert pattern, okay? Now, I'm going to first try to find this little thing. So I'm just going to first say // but entering, it will just find // everywhere. Now you want to say, okay, // but after that, it should be a line break. So Command Alt Shift, wait a minute, actually it's Control Option Command P. And I'm going to say line break after that. And now I'm going to search. It's finding a bit more stuff, but it's really not the ones that we want, or at least not the exact matches. After that, we're going to look for, so the next line will start with a // and then Control Option Command P and any characters, and the line ends with .swift. Boom. Okay. The line after that starts with // and ends with, basically is followed by any characters and line break. Boom. Did I make any mistake there? Let's see. Up to this point, does it find? Oh, because after the Swift, it has to be a line break as well, right? To go to the next line. Yep. And then // any characters, line break. Boom. And if you tap on any of these matches, you can see what it's found. You can see it's matched this, basically. You see it highlights it as yellow. After that, we want to find this line, which is // and line break. Like that. You can see there's no character after that, so there's no space after that. So, and then the line after that starts with // any characters and ends with a dot. Boom. And it's found them. Right? The line after that is a // any characters and ends again with a dot. I have probably made some mistake. I'm backtracking here. Oh, right. I'm going to expand this so we can see what we found so far. We've come to the dot here, but I forgot the line break again. So a line break and // for this line to begin with, and then any characters and ends with a dot, like that. And oh, you see, that wasn't a really good search because it's finding this dot here. So maybe we should say it ends with reserved dot. Okay, reserved, like that. Now it's matching that. After that, before we forget, there's a line break, and then // for the next line, and then a line break. Oops, not hex. And then a line break for the line break after this, and there's another line break here as well, which you may want to remove. So I'm gonna say another line break. Boom. And you can see it's matched that exact pattern in every file. Now I can say, I can keep that and say Command Option Shift F, and I'm going to say replace that pattern with nothing, replace all, which effectively is going to remove all the top header comments in any file that it's found this pattern in. So boom, that's it. So now if you find any Swift file here in this project, there's not going to be a top header, and you can see our changes available here. It was like this before, and it's guaranteed to have removed that for every file in this project for you. So have a look at the patterns, play with them. Hopefully you can find them useful for your own projects. And I think you can also copy paste them actually, because they're kind of like secret type of like character combinations. So you should be able to copy paste them from one project to another. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day.